Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you how to open a free trading demo account on Valutrades. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so be sure to stick around. Let's jump into it. Valutrades is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, CFDs, and commodities. Featured trading account is available on an ECN account, which comes standard with lower spreads, no limitations, expert advisors, and more. Their featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. If you ever require any assistance while on their website, you can click on the live chat button at the bottom right of the screen here. Submit your message and a support representative will then get back to you. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account with Valutrades. Firstly, head over to their website at valutrades.com. On their home screen here, at the top right of the page, you will see Free Practice Account and Open Live Account. Click on Free Practice Account. We will be opening a Valutrades UK Practice Account. Next, submit your personal information such as your name, country of residence, contact number, email address, your account type, currency, and initial deposit. After you have submitted your information, you will see "Thank you for registering a demo account with Valutrades." What you'll want to do next is head over to the email you specified and verify your email address through the link Valutrades has sent you. Once you have verified your account, you will be redirected to the Valutrades members area. Your account information can easily be found under the My Accounts panel. What we are going to do next is download and install MetaTrader 4. Head over to the Downloads panel and download MetaTrader 4 for your preferred operating system. After you have downloaded and installed MetaTrader 4, simply log in with the information that was displayed in the members area. And just like that, we're in. This is a Valutrades demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can easily change your chart types here from either line, candlestick, or bar charts. You can zoom in and out of the chart windows with the magnifying glass buttons on the right side of the chart types buttons. To open one of the chart windows into a full screen window, simply click on the full screen button at the top right of the selected chart window. This will then open the chart window into a full screen window in the center of the dashboard here. At the top left of the main chart window, we can see our quick buy and sell order executions. This is where we can make quick buy and sell orders on the selected instrument straight from the chart window. On the left side of the dashboard here, we can see our Market Watch, which displays all the trading instruments that Valutrades provides. In our case, this Market Watch is displaying Forex currency pairs. To open an individual buy and sell order for your preferred currency pair, simply right-click on the selected pair and click on New Order. This will then open an individual buy and sell order window, which displays some additional information and its own line chart. If you wish to add a preferred pair into its own chart window, simply right-click on your preferred pair and click on Chart Window. This will then open an individual chart for the selected pair in the center of the dashboard here. At the bottom left of the dashboard here, we can see all the currency pairs which we have added into their own chart windows. You can easily switch between these pairs from right here. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, you can click on the Help button at the top left of the dashboard here. This will then display a few video tutorials and a help center, which covers various aspects of platform functionality to help you get started. Valutrades also features their very own education center with beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading guides for you to browse through as you please, as well as various webinars, educational topics, and their very own daily news section. One helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential is to consider the implications of tax and how it coincides with Forex trading. One key point here is to be prepared for when tax time arrives. Consider consulting with a professional tax specialist who may be able to assist you with avoiding any legal surprises, and to take advantage of various laws regarding tax. The best idea here would be to consider developing a relationship with a trusted and reliable tax professional who could possibly assist you with all your tax-related information, events, and matters. And that's how to open a demo account on Valutrades. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. Good luck!